Hello friends, today we will start a new chapter, number system. Number system is a very large topic. We will cover it in coming videos. But in today's video, we will study about its various topics such as calculation techniques, square and cubes, basic numbers, integers, factor and multiples, HCF and LCM, fraction and decimal fractions, insights and surds, factorial, last digits and remainder, rational and irrational number, various number system, relations and function. So if you are preparing for examination such as CAT, bank or SSC, this video is so beneficial for you. So in this video we will talk about its first topic, calculation techniques. So calculation techniques, in this we have to study multiplication rules and divisibility rules. In this video we will cover multiplication rule. So in multiplication rules there are 10 topics. In this video we will cover 2 cases and rest 8 cases in coming videos we will complete it. So let's begin. Let's take an example. So in case 1, whenever we multiply a number with 5 or its factor, what we have to do, that such as in this example the number is 125, so we can write 125 as the cube of 5. We can write 125 as cube of 5. So what we have to do in case 1, we have to displace the cube which is 3. We have to displace 3 zeros at the end of 369. So what we will write? 369 0 0. We have displaced 3 zeros because cube of 5 is 3, and we will divide it by 2. But in this question we will divide it by 3 twos. 2 2 2. As we have displaced 3 zeros at the end of 369, we have also to divide 3 2 with this number, because the cube, there is a number is 3, so number of zeros will be 3's and number of 2 will be 3. If there will be 2 as 5 square, we have to displace only 2 zeros and 2 twos. So as you will solve this question, you will get the answer 4 61 and 25, 46,125. So this is the answer. Let's take another example. if we have to multiply this number with 25, so 25 is the square of 5. So now rub it and write here 2, because 25 is the square of 5 to the power 2. So now we will displace only two zeros at the end of 369 and divide it only by two twos. And if there is only 5, so there will be power 1. Then we will displace only 1 0 and divide by only 1 2. So this is case 1. Now we will move on case 2. In case 2 is that whenever we multiply a number with 9 or so we will, let's take an example. So what we have to do, that multiply the given number by 10 and then subtract the given number from the resultant number. See what we have to do. There is 9, so we can write 9 as 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1, we will get 9, and we will multiply 238 with 9. Now you have studied distributive law in earlier classes, so you know it. What to do next? We will break the bracket. 238 multiplied by 10, 0 minus 238 multiply with 1. So when we subtract this number, we will get the answer 2142. So this is the basic trick to solve this question. Let's take another example. So if we multiply a number by 9 or its factor, let's take another example. If we multiply 238 with 81, as you know, 81 is a factor of 9. So what we will do, we will write 238 into 9 into 9. We can write 81 as 9 into 9. Now what we will do that we will subtract 10 from 1 as we have done in the previous question, but this time we have to do this twice. We can write 9 as 10 minus 1 and 10 minus 1. So let's solve the question. As we know, the answer of this much we have get in the previous question is 2 1 4 2, and now we multiply this with 10 minus 1. We will multiply 2142 with 10 and minus 1. When we will subtract this number, we will get the answer 19,278. So these are the two cases which we have studied, and these are the shortest way to solve a number when we multiplied the number with 5 or 9. So if you liked the video, subscribe it and share it and like it. So we will meet in the next class. Thank you.